You're not going to believe where Bitcoin and Ethereum are about to go. I'm going to show you in today's episode. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is DaVinci Jeremy. I'm 5x5 here in Dubai. And yeah, we're doing well today. Not much news today. There's a little bit of news. Well, you know what? We'll go over them because I have them up and running here, but it's not much to talk about. And then we're going to get into the TA for the day and show you what is going to happen with Bitcoin in the next little while. Same with Ethereum. They're about to do something spectacular. All right. With that said, if you're interested in trading this, you can head over to bybit.davincej15.com. Links are in the description below. Also, we're going to be doing a trading competition. So we're going to talk more about that in a minute. But first, a little bit of news. Bybit's in the news, right? FTX sues crypto firm Bybit to recover assets worth $1 billion. What? Okay, so, apparently FTX claims Bybit affiliate used the VIP status to withdraw funds. Bybit's Marina withdrew $329 million just before FTX paused. Okay, so if you are working with the company and realize that they're going down and you withdraw, like, let's just say you have, like, that's like suing a customer, right? who realize, hey, you're about to go down. I'm going to withdraw my money. And then say, yeah, you're not supposed to do that. What? What? How's that supposed to work? Anyways, research that covers undetectable crypto mining technique on Azure. Back in the days, right? When the early days of Bitcoin, when it was only $1, people and mining was, if you had access to a whole bunch of computers, you could mine Bitcoin with just your computers. Kind of ridiculous right now to do so, unless it's mining other altcoins. Maybe you can mine other altcoins with your cloud miner, but and spin them up. But anyways, this particular technique has been patched, right, by Microsoft, because you could actually, there was for a while, you could have actually spun up a whole bunch of computers through the Microsoft Azure cloud service and mine till your heart's content without paying for any electricity, without paying for any computer costs, nothing. So I'm sure right now, as it stands, there's a lot of IT people who are currently mining cryptocurrencies, even though they're not supposed to. They're using their ability to access all their servers and throw in some small mining software to mine crypto. So if you're one of those people, you might want to stop doing that and keep your job. It's not worth it for the small amount of crypto that you're going to get from that, and so that you might as well keep your job, use that job to pay your daily expenses and save Bitcoin for the day when Bitcoin and Ethereum do very well and take over as money. Then you don't have to work at a job anymore. So alrighty. With that said, let's go on to the competition. Yes, we're going to be starting a competition. The competition is going to be starting in 19 days. Going to be over in 19 days, I believe. So you can register for this competition and start trading very soon. Competition begins, I believe, let's see here. Where does it begin? On November 16th, right? So make sure you sign up today with my affiliate. So to do so, the links are in the description, so you can find out more about this particular contest, and you can sign up by going to bybit.davincej15.com or just the link in the description as well. Okay, so let's jump into how we're going to win this competition. How are you going to win? Well, you win by trading. You can start with just $100. It's just percentage based. So you deposit $100 into Bybit and trade with that. Okay, so looking at Bitcoin first, right? Then we're going to talk about Ethereum. Right now, it looks like, darn, we did a fake out and then breakout. And then on this 4-hour candle, it's just in a range right now. A Bitcoin that hasn't broken out of the range. And with the 4-hour tightening up with the band, that means there's something brewing. Most likely, we have like an AB equals CD movement here. We're going to pump back up to further higher levels. Now, this usually AB equals CD means you go from here to here. That means wouldn't be surprised if we just go a little bit up to the 39,000 and then fail. I think that Ethereum is indicating something similar. We can see maybe from here, we can see that Ethereum could do an AB equals CD and take us all the way to $2,300. There is no other significant point there, so I'm not sure what we can do with that. Let's see here. Let's just take a look at them. There's no 61.8. It's just probably 2.1. That's 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So not particularly convincing. But if we look at this really closely, you can see that this is a clear bullish flag, bull flag here that's been formed by Ethereum. So with this bull flag in place, we can see that this is the pole right here, that Ethereum has to do something, might do something like this as well, right? So, or from the takeoff to jump off point. So yeah, you can see if we jump off, right, it's pretty much the same as the AB equals CD. So that's what we're looking for. And for Ethereum, right, you can wait for it to break out before you actually take the jump. And the breakout level would be the $2,078. With Ethereum looking more bullish than Bitcoin, I think we're going to see the price action head up to the 39,000 for Bitcoin and the 2,300 for Ethereum. Looking at a longer term picture, if we were to look at this at a longer term on the weekly, one of the things I know as a trader here is that once you look left, right, especially with Ethereum or even Bitcoin, you can see that there's a lot of weekly candles that, it's going to refill. So the minimum point where the Ethereum could go to is the 38.2 to $2,800 mark easily from here once it breaks into this area. So, and as for Bitcoin, well, I mean, it already has broken into its area. And so we can see if we go on the weekly, there's a high probability that Bitcoin at least comes back. Let's see where we are on the Fibonacci scale, at least. Let's take a look at that. To the 50% mark, at the very least. We're already at 38.2 and above that and floating above that. So a 50% mark rate is like where we saw a lot of traffic before, but you can see that around the 39 is where we can see some serious resistance in this 39,000 area. So that's and we should be in the resistance area too right now at the 38.2, but we're well above that. And so I really think that a 42 handle is not out of the question in the next little while. And we could go as well as high as the 61.8 before the end of the year. So nothing stopping it. It's Bitcoin from making it. All right. With that said, I hope you join the competition that we're going to be having. You just sign up with my link, and you can participate in the competition. You must be signed up with my link in order to participate. So make sure you do so. All right. I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.